Hey guys, so quick video, we're going to connect the Alienware monitor for the HDMI, so to your Xbox. So first, from Alienware monitor, you're going to have the HDMI there. So you're going to take the cable, the HDMI cable, and then you're going to have Xbox. And I don't know if you're Xbox One or something. And what you want to do, you want to locate the HDMI, and you're just going to connect the Alienware monitor with the Xbox. But what might happen is that maybe it's going to have the small HDMI mini. Then you need to have the HDMI to HDMI mini adapter. And then you just need to have an adapter for it, like this one right here. So you see right here that this is something that you can also do, or like this one right here. And this is, I don't know what kind of Xbox you have, but this is how it's going to work out. So you're gonna have the HDMI, and that is going to connect to the Xbox, the cable. I hope you get it, right? And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.